Hello, today I'm going to talk about timing and how to deal with it in the report. Timing has an important role in the report. Wrong timing assignment causes wrong data in the report. Each band has different timing and timing order from top to bottom band. By default, each element has evaluation time property as now, which depend on location of element itself, such as a summary band. The timing will be report because it will be shown the last. Mm, but group band is different due to it has two parts, header and footer, which group header time will come first, then detail, and group footer respectively. The problem will be arise if we move data from group footer to group header without evaluation time consideration. Let's see. Yeah, it's become now. Earlier is okay, but become now when we move to group header. As I mentioned earlier, that timing order is from top to bottom. When we move data from group footer to group header, we will find that data become null because there is no data available at the time yet. To solve this, we have to change evaluation time property to group and select the right group name if you have a multiple group. In order to let the report choose the right data at the time, here after we change the evaluation time, it's okay now. Uh, another another good example is composite elements such as page x of y. When we drag here to page footer, we will see that there is the same variable name is here, page number. But when you preview. Yeah, x is 1 and y is 141. When we see next page, x is 2 and y is 1, still 141. Last page. Yeah. Is it weird? Same variable but different value. You will understand it easily if you will both property. Yeah. Evaluation time is now, but it's in page footer. So actually, uh, evaluation time is page now. Is page, and here evaluation time is report. Therefore, both have different value, even have the same variable name because report time is the time of the last value. But now evaluation time now, which is in the page footer, is the time at the end of each page. So it gives different value. So when you use variable in report, you have to uh, consider about evaluation time to get uh, the right value of the data in the report. Thanks for watching.